Hello everyone, welcome to Tnmaws Academy. So, hope எல்லாருமே வந்து நம்ம தமிழ்நாடு MAWS ஓட மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் டிப்ளமா லெவல் எக்ஸாம் வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா எழுதியிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். I hope you have put your all the efforts, okay, 100% into that exam. So, இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போகுதுன்னா we are going to discuss the questions and their answer key. Okay, so இது வந்து கொஞ்சம் பிரீஃபாக மீன்ஸ் எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் இருக்காது. உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு கீயை எப்படி இருக்கும் அது வந்து ரொம்ப டீட்டெயிலாக நம்ம டீம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி தான் ஆன்சருக்குள்ளே வந்திருக்கேன். ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு கொஸ்டினுக்கும் என்ன கீ அது உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் ஃபார் ஆல் தி 200 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு பார்க்க முடியும். ஓகே, ஸோ 29/6 எக்ஸாம் இருந்தேன் சாட்டர்டே. ஸோ அதோட இதான் பார்க்க போகுது MAWS மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் டிப்ளமா ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எக்ஸாம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், theory assumes that employees are, answer is B, lazy and irresponsible. Then second one, who is considered the father of scientific management? That is nothing but Frederick Winslow Taylor. இங்கே ஒரு ஃப்ரெடரிக் டெய்லரும் கூட இருக்காங்க, ஆனால் இதுதான் மோஸ்ட் ஆப்ட். வின்ஸ்லோ கூட இருக்கு அதனால. ஓகே, so F.W. Taylor. Third question, what is the main contribution of Henry Fayol to management thought? Or Henry Fayolோட principles தான், அதோட 14 நம்பர் இருக்காங்க அந்த principles. ஓகே, டிசிப்ளின் அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லிட்டு டெலிகேஷன் அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லிட்டு 14 நம்பர் இருக்காங்க, அதுதான் ஆன்சர். ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் A. Fourth one, what is the ranking method of job evaluation? The answer is A, comparing jobs based on their importance. Okay, ranking method na importance basis la neenga job na rank பண்ணுவாங்க, அதுதான் answer is A. Fifth question, which of the following is not one of the 14 principles of management? Henry Fayol oda and the 14 principle la include ஆகாதது எது? அதுதான் question. Answer is empowerment, dog, D. Okay, sixth one, it's a problem. If a production line has a fixed cost of 80,000, each unit produced incurs a variable cost கொடுத்திருக்காங்க ₹10 and is sold for ₹10, means selling price கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. How many units must be produced and sold to break even? Break even point is nothing but fixed cost by selling price minus variable cost. So நீங்க அது 80,000 by 30 minus 10 பண்ணினா you will get the answer. The answer is C, 4,000. Seventh one, what is the name of the technique used to determine the selling price of a product? ஒரு ப்ராடக்டோட செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் பார்க்கறதுக்கு என்ன டெக்னிக், என்ன பேர் சொல்லுவாங்க? காஸ்ட் ப்ளஸ் ப்ரைசிங். ஓகே, காஸ்ட் ப்ளஸ் ப்ரைசிங் தான் அதோட பேர். ஆன்சர் இஸ் A. 8. In ABC analysis, A items typically represent what percentage of the total number of items but account for what percentage of total value? Items value. So 20% of items, 80% of the value. அதுதான் A. C means the reverse. Okay, so A தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So 20% of the items will cost 80% of the value. So answer is A. Next, again a problem. If a company uses the straight line method for a piece of equipment costing rupees 1 lakh with a salvage value of rupees 20,000. Okay, and a useful life of 5 years, the annual depreciation expenses. In the question la enna oru confusion varuna, what is salvage value? Depreciation ku solna pera salvage or current value of salvage. Salvage na current value, current book price. Okay, so depreciation is 80,000. So straight line method da 80,000 by 5, 16,000. Answer is dog. 10th question, for a product with a demand of 12,000 units per year, holding cost of rupees 2.50 per unit per year and ordering cost of rupees 25 per order, what is the economic order quantity? Economic order quantity oda direct equation root of 2D C by C. Okay, அந்த equation கொடுத்திருந்தா டைரக்ட்டா ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும். ஆன்சர் இஸ் பாக்ஸ் 489.89. Okay, next, a company uses ranking method of job evaluation. If the highest ranked job is given a score of 100 and lowest rank a score of 40, what average would a job receive if it was ranked in the middle of a set of 9 jobs? ஸோ ரேங்கிங் மெத்தட் தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. next ஜாபுக்கு ஸ்கோரும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் we are not 100% sure, but the answer is not known. It should be not known because ranking method வந்து is a qualitative method. Okay, no quantity. Quantity means points on கொடுக்க மாட்டோம். அதனால you cannot ascertain a job by assigning points or score. So ranking method is a qualitative method. It is not involved on the points of the involved ஆகாது. அதனால answer not known. Okay, so answer is E. 12. For a company employing the ABC analysis in inventory management, if B category items represent 30% of the inventory items for a cost of 50%, total inventory, then what strategy should be used for these items? Inventory monitor பண்றதுக்கு என்ன strategy யூஸ் பண்ணனும் அதான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. The answer is moderate focus with regular inventory reviews. Moderate focus means is a B item. Regular inventory reviews in the sense 50% total inventory value வராங்க அதனால. Okay, so you need for regular inventory reviews also. The answer is box. Moderate focus with regular inventory reviews. Next question. Henry Fayol is known for his contributions to very direct question, scientific management. Okay. Which one of the following is not a form of inventory? Inventory la include ஆகாதது இது எது? Raw materials is a part of inventory. Work in process is a part of inventory. Finished goods and again part of inventory. ஆனா CNC milling machines நீங்க அது ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ற யூஸ் பண்ற மெஷின்ஸ் எல்லாமே பிளான்ஸ்ல தான் வரும். ஓகே, TNP சொல்லுவாங்க, tools and plants அதுல தான் வருவாங்க. It's not a part of inventory. CNC milling machines answer. So answer is dog. For this question, answer is dog. 15th question. Which of the following is not the feature of total quality management? Total quality management oda feature allathathu edu? The answer is product focus. It's not problem solving. Random tick pannirukanga. Answer is dog. Process dhaan focus பண்ணுவாங்க. Process focus பண்ணினா product automatically improve ஆயிடும். அதுதான் total quality management oda ஒரு feature. Okay, அதனால டைரக்ட்டா product focus சொல்ல முடியாது. ஆனா பாக்கி மூணுமே direct focus தான். Okay, so answer is dog. 15 question, answer is dog. 16. Which pillar of TQM recognizes the product quality is a result of process quality? Process management. Process nalla paathirunda product nalla varum automatically. Munnadi indha question oda oru reasoning mari sollidalam the question. Okay, so answer is C. Next, a company is known to have a reward policy for its employees. When an employee makes a mistake, the management offers them an opportunity to learn from it. What does the management culture seems to be like? So, very what we call friendly management culture. Oru traditional approach illa. Adinala, this is an feature of total quality management. Okay, baaki irukku onnu illa. Traditional management onnume illa. Na idu rendum not related to this question. So, answer is A. Next question. Company A has short-term goals like achieving the predicted quarterly profit. Company B has long-term goals like achieving sustained customer satisfaction. ஒருவருக்கு வந்து quarterly profit அது மட்டும் தான் aim. அடுத்தவருக்கு வந்து sustained customer satisfaction. What can you infer about management culture? இது short term, இது long term. Total quality management is a long-term feature. So dog is the answer. Company A follows traditional management. Short-term aim over traditional management, and company B follows because long-term goals. TQM. So the answer is dog. D. 19th question. ISO 9000 2015. So adukku evlo principles irukanga are based on 7 quality management principles. Okay, so the answer is dog. D. Next question. Which layout is typically used in a facility that manufactures airplanes? Airplanes, ships, அதுக்கெல்லாம் fixed position layout தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. Answer is C. Next one, 23. Okay. This one. In industrial engineering, what does the term method study aim to achieve? Method study க்கு என்ன aim இருக்காங்க? So what's the objective of method study? dog. Optimize work processes. Okay, that's the answer. Optimize work processes. Next question. What does JIT, just in time production, aim to reduce? Answer is box inventory levels. Okay, inventory levels reduce பண்றது தான் lean manufacturing, just in time எல்லாம் போவாங்க. 24. What is the main purpose of work measurement in industrial engineering? Work measurement oda purpose enadu? To determine the standard time for a task. So the answer is dog. To determine the standard time for a task. 25. The process layout is more suitable for. Process layout அது எதுக்காக suitable இருக்கும், எந்த மாதிரி கம்பெனிக்கு suitable இருக்கும்? Low volume high variety production, different types of production பண்றாங்க, ஆனா கொஞ்சம் தான் பண்ண போகுது. So low volume high variety production தான் process layout suitable இருக்கும். So the answer is box B. 26. Quality control aims to identify and correct defects in the finished product. This is not total quality management, it's quality control. Okay, TQM il varnadilla, ana idu oru part of TQM da. So idoda objective enadu identify and correct defects in the finished product. Okay, that's the answer. So answer is A. 27. In the context of industrial safety management, PPE stands for personal protection equipment, personal protective equipment. The answer is box B. 28. The standard time of an operation is defined as a time taken by a. It's an equation. ஆனா அதோட equationோட words ல கேட்டிருக்காங்க. It's a standard time எப்படி சொல்வாங்க? அது வந்து ஒரு trained worker to perform that operation while working at a, this is a printing mistake or a typo. It's not steady pace, it's steady pace. Constant speed ல ஒரு trained worker work பண்ணும்போது எவ்வளவு டைம் எடுக்கும், அதுதான் standard time. So the answer is box B. Next, the actual time taken by a worker to complete a specific operation or task is known as observed time. Actual time நீங்க வந்து stop watchல observe பண்றாங்க, that is observed time. Next, analysis of man work method by using a motion picture camera with a timing device in the field of view is known as. Camera la use பண்ணி நீங்க film graph பண்ணுவாங்க, அந்த ஸ்டடிக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? Motion study. Okay, motion study. Answer is box B. Next, study of the systematic investigation of the existing method of doing a job in order to develop and install an easy, rapid, efficient and effective procedure for doing the same job and at low cost is known as method study. Work study oda two elements, method study and time study. Adile method study da procedure focus பண்ணி நீங்க improvement பண்ண போகுது, method study வழி தான். Next, way of doing, time of doing, அதெல்லாம் பார்க்கறது time study or work measurement. So here the answer is box method study. 32nd, இதுதான் match the following தான் ரொம்ப easy. A man is doing some productive work, so he is doing some operation. So O means fifth one, O circle தான் symbol இருக்கும். A lot is moving from one place to another, transportation, arrow. So A5 B4. Then a hand is not accomplishing anything and is measuring the dimension of the part. Hand is not accomplishing means work பண்றாங்க ஆனா hold பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So hold பண்றதுக்கு இதுதான் symbol. So C1, A5 B4. Okay, measuring the dimension. So checking, inspection, sorry. 2 C2 square. Shortage and delay. 3. Then a hand is holding an object. இதுதான் நான் சொன்னபடி ஒர்க் பண்ணாமல் இல்லை ஆனால் ஒர்க்கு இடையில ஹோல்ட் பண்றாங்க, அதுக்கு 1. So last one is 1. The answer is dog. A5 B4 C2 D3 E1. Predetermined motion times include TMTS. அது என்னெல்லாம் வருவாங்க, இது எல்லாமே இருக்கும். ஓகே, மெத்தட் டைம் மெஷர்மெண்ட், ஒர்க் ஃபேக்டர் சிஸ்டம்ஸ், பேசிக் மோஷன் டைம் ஸ்டடி எல்லாம் கூட சேர்ந்து தான் we will be calling PMTS. So all of this. Next question. Job evaluation is the method of determining the job evaluation. Na neenga enna paakradhukku solvaanga, idu kodukala worth of the machine paakradhukku illa job evaluation. Actually job evaluation oru job oda importance and the job oda status adella fix pandradhukku. Workers performance, no, never, it's not focused on worker. Relative time of different jobs, no, you are not going to calculate time of different jobs. value of overall production. It's not. Actually, it's a job oriented, work oriented. On the work evaluate பண்றது. So answer is E. Answer not no. இதுக்குள்ள இல்ல. Next question, 35. Which of the following is concerned with getting the work started and that the physical handing over of a manufacturing order to the operating facility? It's like a memo. Higher management அப்படியே ஒரு நோட்டீஸ் போறாங்க லோவர் லெவலுக்கு இப்படி தான் பிளான் பண்ண போகுது இப்படி தான் நீங்க ஒர்க் பண்ணணும் அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு அதுக்கு பேர் தான் dispatching. Answer is box B. Okay. 36. Dash lays down the flow of work in the plant and determines what work is to done, where it will be done. Answer is routing. 37. Checking the acceptability of a manufactured product. It is called inspection. Answer is D. Dog. 38. Dash is defined as fitness for purpose. It's not the word quality. Quality is defined as fitness for purpose. The answer is A. Quality. Next. In dash repairs are made after the equipment is out of order. Equipment out of order ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் repair பண்றாங்க. So box, breakdown maintenance. Okay, answer is box B. Next. Periodic inspection of equipment and machinery to uncover conditions that lead to your checking periodically. Answer is preventive maintenance. Dog. D. Next. The purpose of screw is to the purpose of screw is to feed molten metal from pouring basing to gate. Precisely saying to runner. Okay, Anna. In the options the most suitable. So the answer is A. Feed molten metal from pouring basing to gate. Next, 42. Match plate pattern is used in. The answer is C. Machine molding. Next, 43. In cold chamber method of die casting, எந்த மாதிரி metals நீங்க அது casting பண்ணுவாங்க? High melting point metals can be cast. Cold chamber means அந்த equipment இல்ல melting ஆன யூனிட் equipmentல இருக்காது. அது வந்து செப்பரேட்டா இருக்கும். அதனால நீங்க வந்து high advanced furnace எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி அப்படியே மெல்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அப்படியே லேடில் எடுத்துக்கொண்டு வந்து ஊத்துனா போதும். So high melting point metals can be cast using cold chamber. 44. In centrifugal casting, the impurities will be thrown to the periphery of the what we call the circular profile. Okay, so outside the surface, forced outside the surface. Answer is C. Next, the broaching operation in which the work moves past the stationary tool is called continuous broaching. Okay, C. Continuous broaching. That's the answer. Next, half nut is connected with. Half nut is split nut. Maybe you might be heard of split nut. Half nut adoda innoru peru. So adha use pannu thread cutting on lathe adukkaga use பண்ணுவாங்க. Answer is C. Next, the method used to make powder of metals having low melting point. So powder metallurgy la oru question da low melting point irundha adu atomization vadi ungalku powdering பண்ணிக்கலாம். So answer is dog, atomization. Next, 48. ஒரு problem தான். So problem என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க? A compound die will be used to blank and punch a large washer out of 6061S aluminum alloy sheet stock 3.5 mm thick, outside diameter 50, inside diameter 15. Appropriate punch and die sizes in blanking operation கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Constant கொடுத்திருக்கு. So answer is C. ஒரு equation la கொடுத்து calculate பண்ணனும். Okay, we will be discussing in another section. Okay, we will discuss that. இந்த problems எல்லாமே வந்து ஒரு session வெச்சுக்கலாம். அதுல discuss பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு helpful ஆகும். Okay, எப்படின்னு சொல்லிடலாம். So answer is C. 49. In a turning operation on again a problem in a turning operation on stainless steel with hardness 200 HP, the cutting speed கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Sorry, feed கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, depth of cut கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. The specific energy for the above material to machine is U. அதுவும் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Power the lathe will draw. அதான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Efficiency 90% கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Again equation இருக்காங்க. அதை போட்டு calculate பண்ணினா you will get 19.44 kilowatt. Okay, so answer is dog, 19.44 kilowatt. The term deep grinding, next question. The term deep grinding refers to deep grinding எதுக்கு சொல்லுவாங்க? External cylindrical creep feed grinding with high speed. Answer is box. Next, gear cutting on a milling machine using an involute profile cutter is. So that will be gear forming process. Answer is box B. 52nd, in a tensile test, again a problem on a metal specimen. The true strain was 0.08 at a stress of 265 megapascal. When true stress was 325 megapascal, true strain observed is 0.27. The strain hardening exponent in the flow curve equation is. Now we have tried to work out, or we have worked out that this problem, and work out பண்ணும்போது I'm not sure you can do it without calculator. I don't know if there are any objections, you can comment it on the comment section. So எனக்கு வந்து calculator தேவைப்பட்டேன், இல்லைன்னா கொஞ்சம் டைம் எடுக்கும், மேபி ஒரு 2 minutesக்கு பக்கம் எல்லாம் எடுக்குவாங்க இந்த கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. ஸோ அதனால ஆனால் ஆன்சர் இஸ் சி 0.1678. இஃப் யூ ஆர் கால்குலேட்டிங் யூ வில் கெட் 0.1678. ஓகே. 53rd, a good insulating material possesses the following properties. Insulating material properties and கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Answer is A, having high dielectric strength, very low dissipation factor and high operating temperature range. So the answer is A. Next, in a planar machine, what role does the cross rail play? Cross rail oda function adu. Answer is guides the movement of the cutting tool horizontally. adukku da cross rail use பண்ணுவாங்க. So answer is box B. Next, the purpose of normalizing steel is to. Steel normalizing, heat treatment normalizing பண்றதுக்கு என்ன purpose? It will improve machinability. The answer is dog. Okay, the answer is dog. Next, 56. In a drilling machine, what is the function of the quill? Drilling machine le quill nu part irukanga, adoda function adu. Answer is C, provides vertical movement to the drill bit. Okay. 57. Normally case hardening is suited for. So case hardening edukku use பண்ணுவாங்க? Normally it will be used for low carbon steel parts. Okay, அதுக்கு தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். So answer is dog D. Next, what is the purpose of coolant in grinding operations? Grinding operation le coolant oda purpose. Answer is box, dissipating the heat generation due to friction and shear of the metal. Okay, the answer is box B. 59. In jig boring, what is the function of the jig? Jig oda function enadhu? Answer is A, guides the movement of the cutting tool. அதுக்கு தான் jig யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. Answer is A. 60. In press working operation, increasing the clearance between the punch and blank die punch and die typically results in. If you increase that, it will result in reduced tool wear. Okay, answer is dog. Out of the options, answer is dog D. 61. Electrical part, the unit of electric potential is joule per coulomb, J by C. Answer is A. In the international system of units, what is the unit of inductance? Henry, C. Henry, H. That's unit. Answer is C. Which of the following is not a type of induction motor? Answer is brushless DC motor, dog. Okay. 64. The efficiency of an induction motor is highest when it operates at full load. Okay, answer is A. 65. The speed of an induction motor is primarily determined by. Answer is number of stator poles. Answer is box B. Which law describes the force experienced by a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field? Answer is dog, Lorentz force law. Okay, the answer is dog, Lorentz force law. Next question. Which of the following is not an expression of power? Power or equation is illathathu edu? Wrong. P equal to 1 by R is our answer. Okay. Next, resistivity of a wire depends on. Wire or resistivity edhila depend pannirukkum? Answer dog, material. 69. Norton's theorem and Thevenin's theorem both are applicable to linear networks on difference. Linear network. Only difference is based on how a resistor set is used in the network. Norton's theorem employs this. Okay. D. Dog. Dog the answer. 70. Which of the following theorem is known as dual of Thevenin's theorem? The answer is Norton's theorem. Dog. 71. Two coils X and Y are placed in a circuit such that a current changes by 3 amps in coil X and the magnetic flux change of 0.9 Weber occurs in coil Y. The mutual inductance of the coil is 0.3 Henry. Okay, answer is box B. 72. A three-phase induction motor has 6 poles and operates with a slip of 0.06. The speed of the stator magnetic field answer is 1200 RPM. Okay. I hope the question paper you can mark in your question paper. Okay. 1200 RPM. 73rd. When measuring power in a single phase circuit using a wattmeter, which quantity need to be measured simultaneously? Answer is voltage and current. Next. Which statement is true about the neutral wire in a three-phase four-wire system? The answer is box. It carries a return current for all the three phases. Okay. 75. The speed of the rotating magnetic field in an induction motor is always higher than the rotor speed. Answer is A. 76. In which region of operation does a diode act as an open circuit? Answer is reverse bias. Dog. D. 77. A silicon diode typically has a forward voltage drop of around 0.7 volt. Answer is box B. In an NPN transistor, the primary function of the base region is to. Answer is A. Control the flow of current between the collector and the emitter. Okay. 79. A logic gate with two inputs A and B produces a high output only when both A and B are high. The gate is called AND gate. Okay, answer is C. AND gate. 80. A 10 NF capacitor is connected in parallel with a 22 NF. Total capacitance 32 NF. Dog. Answer is dog. 32 NF. 81st question. The property which permits a material to be drawn out longitudinally like a wire. Adange confuse pandranga longitudinally. So longitudinally means along the length. The answer is ductility. Adukku peru da ductility solvanga. Next. The ability of a material to absorb energy within the elastic region. Adukku peru resilience. Box B the answer. Okay, resilience. Then 83rd. Hooke's law essentially defines. Hooke's law defines the elastic limit. Stress strain is equal to stress by strain equal to constant up to elastic limit. Okay, so C is the answer. Elastic limit. 84. In which case is longitudinal strain possible? Only in solids. Answer is dog. D. Next. If the thickness of plate is negligible when compared to the diameter of the cylinder, then it is called thin cylinder. Okay, answer is box. Thin cylinder. Again, for a thin cylindrical shell, the ratio of hoop stress to longitudinal stress is option is A 2. Okay, the option is 2. Next one, going to bending moment diagram. The maximum bending moment when a point load W is acting at the free end of a cantilever beam of length L. The answer is WL. Okay, on the diagram, draw panni kandupidikkalaam. You can memorize anyway your convenience. Okay, the answer will be C, WL. Next question. When a body is subjected to 3 mutually perpendicular stresses of equal intensity, again the ratio of direct stress to the corresponding volumetric strain is known as bulk modulus. Answer is dog. D. Next question. If the modulus of elasticity for a given material is twice its modulus of rigidity, then the bulk modulus is equal to 2c/3. அந்த equationக்கு மூணு கூட கனெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த equationல போட்டு கொடுத்தா உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும் 2c/3 where c is rigidity modulus. அது क्वेश्चनல கொடுக்கல. is actually it should be there. Okay, क्वेश्चनல கொடுத்திருக்கோம் c னா modulus of rigidity க்கு கொடுத்திருக்கோம். So answer is 2c/3. Next question. A simply supported beam is loaded as shown in the figure below. The maximum shear force in the beam will be. Beam la எவ்வளவு shear force maximum வரும்? You can calculate the shear force on each and every sections or each and every point. Okay, it will be a 2w தான் maximum shear force வருவாங்க. 2w. So answer is a. Next. The bending moment in the center of a simply supported beam carrying a uniformly distributed load of w per unit length. W L square by 8. Dog the answer. Okay. W L square by 8. Next. The point of contraflexure is a point where bending moment changes sign. Answer is A. அதுக்கு பேர் தான் contraflexure. Point of contraflexure. Point of inflection இருக்காங்க. That will be bending moment equal to 0. Okay. So இங்கே contraflexure தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So it is bending moment changes its sign. Next. The strength of the beam mainly depends upon section modulus. Answer is dog. D. Section modulus. Next one. Two springs having stiffness 2 Newton per meter and 4 Newton per meter are connected in parallel. The stiffness of the system should be equivalent stiffness. It will get added 6 Newton per meter. Answer is box. Next. Which of the following describes the deformation of a beam under simple bending? Simple bending is deformation eppadi nadakum due to bending and shearing. Okay, the answer is C. 96. In torsion, the maximum shear stress occurs at maximum shear stress occurs at outer surface of the shaft. It is proportional to distance from the origin. Okay, so outer surface la maximum distance, so ange da maximum shear stress irukum. Next, 97. Shear force in a thin cylinder refers to. Thin cylinder la shear force eppdina cylinder oda rendu layer அப்படியே move பண்ற tendency irukum. So the answer is force causing one layer of the cylinder to slide over another layer. Answer is box B. Next, 98. Which of the following types of gear drives is known for transmitting motion and power between perpendicular and non-intersecting? Evidently, these two are not. Rack and pinion la rack oda shaft edhu confusion irukanga. Rack oda shaft வந்து rack oda length படி தான் அப்படினா answer is rack and pinion. ஆனா அப்படி எடுக்க முடியாது, எங்கே அப்படி ஒரு reference காணல, அதனால the answer is marked as answer not known. Suppose rack and pinion, this is pinion, rack வந்து இப்படி இருக்கும். So rack க்கு எங்கே shaft, actually rack வந்து ஒரு infinitely long ஒரு circle மாதிரி எடுத்திருந்தா shaft will be like this, so parallel shaft இருக்கும். So அந்த கான்செப்ட் படி the answer தப்பா இருக்கும். அதனால we are not choosing rack and pinion, other three are not. So answer not known தான் correct answer வரணும். Okay, next one. A belt drive system operates based on the principle of. Very direct question. Answer is A. Friction between the belt and the pulley. Okay, the answer is A. 101. The type of belt drive that uses a toothed belt and toothed pulleys to transmit motion and power is known as timing belt drive. Okay, timing belt drive. Automobiles la use பண்ணுவாங்க timing belt drive. Answer is C. Timing belt drive. 101. The thermodynamic cycle on which the petrol engine works. Otto cycle. Answer is A. 102. In diesel engine, the fuel is injected during the end of compression stroke. Okay, power stroke illa, end of the compression stroke. The answer is box B. 103. Compared to a 2-stroke cycle, a 4-stroke cycle engine will produce theoretically ஒரு சைக்கிளோட question is not clear according to me. எனக்கு வந்து question is not clear னு தெரியுது. Compared to two stroke cycle, ஒரு two stroke engine ல four stroke engine ல எப்படி power compare பண்ண முடியும் தெரியல. ஆனா per cycle இருந்தா half the power இருக்கும். ஓகே, four stroke cycle engine ல രണ്ട് rotation தான் ஒரு power கிடைக்கும், இங்க ஒரு rotation ஒரு power கிடைக்கும். So four stroke ல രണ്ട് rotation பண்ணும்போது two stroke ல two power cycles വരും. So அதனால four stroke will be half the power in two stroke. Question is not that full complete சொல்ல முடியாது அந்த question. ஆனாலும் half the power தான் answer வருது. The purpose of conducting heat balance test is to determine heat converted into useful work and losses. அது பார்க்கிறதுக்கு தான் heat balance sheet இருக்குது. Box heat converted into useful work and losses. 105. The pressure of air at the beginning of the compression stroke. It can be equal to 1 bar and it can be less than 1 bar. Accurately speaking, it will be less than 1 bar. கரெக்டா அந்த atmospheric pressure உள்ள வந்து அப்படியே ஈக்குவல் ஆன அவ்வளவு டைம் கிடைக்காது. அதனால we say it is less than 1 bar. So the answer is box B. Next question. In a two-stage compressor, intercooling is used for. Intercooling எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றாங்க? Reducing work of compression in second stage. Okay, so C is the answer. Reducing work of compression in second stage. Next, 107. If air is to be compressed to high pressure, which one is preferable? High pressure க்கு convert பண்ணோம் அப்படினா எப்போதுமே reciprocating compressor தான் நல்லது. Okay, உங்களுக்கு flow continuous கிடைக்கணும்னா go for rotary. Okay, இங்க high pressure தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So multi stage reciprocating air compressor with intercooling. Multi stage means higher pressure levels க்கு போயிடலாம். அதனால with intercooling work done கம்மியா இருக்கும். The ratio of work done per cycle to the swept volume in case of compressor is called, answer is mean effective pressure. Okay, இது ஈஸியா கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு நீங்க இந்த ட்ரிக் வந்து உங்களை கமிங் எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கு நான் யூஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க. சப்போஸ் என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க, ஒர்க் டன் ஓட யூனிட் என்னது, நியூட்டன் மீட்டர் பை to the swept volume தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க ratio. So swept volume ஓட யூனிட் மீட்டர் கியூப். So getting cancelled, it will become Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square இதுல mean effective pressure ஓட யூனிட் தான். So the answer will be mean effective pressure. அப்படி கூட கண்டுபிடிச்சிடணும். So answer is dog, mean effective pressure. Then Lancashire boiler is a, it is a stationary fire tube boiler. Out of the options, this is the right one. Option A, stationary fire tube boiler. Next, which is not identical for an atom and an isotope. Atom isotope proton or atomic number correct ஆகும், same இருக்கும், ஆனா mass number different இருக்கும். So the answer is A. 111. The most commonly used moderator in nuclear plants. Actually, most commonly used moderator கேட்டா without a second thought, the answer is light water or regular water. Okay, ஆனா இங்க அது ஆப்ஷன்ல இல்ல, அதனால graphite. Okay, so box is the answer B. 112. The optimum value of Vane exit angle for a centrifugal pump impeller is. Vane exit angle oda optimum value for centrifugal pump impeller, it is 20 to 25 degree. Okay, answer is box 20 to 25 degree. Next, the example of bent tube boiler, that is Stirling boiler, that's the answer. Answer is box B, Stirling boiler. Next, in an impulse turbine, out of these options, this is the correct one. Option D, steam is expanded in nozzles. Nozzle மட்டும் தான் expansion or pressure change. Nozzle க்கு வெளியே வந்து across the moving blades, no pressure drop. Okay, nozzles only and there is a pressure drop and heat drop in nozzles. So answer is dog, D. Next, 115. In a reaction turbine, when steam flows through the moving blades. So reaction turbine அப்படி இல்ல, moving blades pass பண்ணும்போது pressure change ஆகும், means expansion நடக்கும். So pressure and velocity both decreases. அதுல velocity மட்டும் தான் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும். ஓகே, இம்பல்ஸ்ல velocity மட்டும் டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும், இங்க pressure velocity டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும். 116. So the answer is box, pressure and velocity both decreases. 116. The degree of reaction is defined as a ratio of. The answer is A. Moving blade across ana heat drop or enthalpy drop by total enthalpy drop. Inge total enthalpy drop ku fixed oda moving blade oda plus panni sollirukanga. Okay, adanal option A the answer. Heat drop in moving blades to the heat drop in fixed blades plus heat drop in moving blades. Next 117. A condenser of refrigeration system rejects heat at the rate of 120 kilowatt while its compressor consumes a power of 30 kilowatt. The coefficient of performance COP தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. After calculation you will get answer as box 3. 3 தான் answer வருவா. Okay, இங்கே என்ன நீங்க எடுக்கணும்னா refrigerating effect direct கொடுக்கல. Rejects heat at the rate of, that is not refrigerating effect. Absorb பண்றது தான் refrigerating effect. So அது நீங்க மைண்ட் வைக்கணும். So after calculation answer will be box 3. 118. If a machine working on reversed Carnot cycle work தான் வெளியே வரும். ஆனா reverse Carnot cycle means you are giving the work. So it will act as a heat pump. Option A. Next 119. Dash are generally employed for the loads above 25 ton refrigeration. 25 ton refrigeration 2500 meter cube per minute discharge ku mele venamna you will be using centralized air conditioning system or central systems. Okay, answer is box B. 120. One ton window air conditioner rejects 4 kilowatt of heat via outdoor unit to the atmosphere. The COP of the air conditioner. COP தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Answer after calculation will be C. Okay, C உங்களுக்கு answer கிடைக்கும். The answer is C. Correct answer is C. 7. Next, which of the following language is understandable by computers? C. Computer understands only binary language. Okay. Then 122. Which of the following is the brain of the computer? Primary classes ne paathurukum nenikira CPU. Brain of the computer is called CPU, central processing unit. 123. Which of the following device use positional notation to represent a decimal number? Answer is box, abacus. Okay, answer is abacus. 124. What is the extension of notepad? Notepad or extension another .txt text. Okay, answer is A. 125. Input devices that use a special ink that contains magnetizable particles of iron oxide are. Iron oxide use பண்ற அந்த ink use பண்ற input devices அது எது MICR. Okay, answer is C, MICR. 126. What are the input devices that enable direct entry into a computer system from source documents? Answer is data scanning devices. Okay, answer is A, data scanning devices. Next question. The word processing task associated with changing the appearance of a document. Formatting. Okay, answer is C, formatting. 128. What is the main advantage of using Star Office over other office suites? Star Office is the main advantage. It has a simpler user interface. Okay, simpler. Answer is box. 129. Which of the following is not a type of computer based on size? Classification of computers. Answer is dog, embedded computer. 130. What is the primary purpose of an operating system in a computer? Answer is box, to manage hardware resources and provide a user interface. Okay. Next, 131. What is the purpose of an email client? Email client means Gmail, then Yahoo, Rediff, ellame. Enna function? To compose and send emails. Okay, right. To receive and read emails. Yes. To organize and manage emails. Yes. So all of the above. Answer is dog, D. Next, which of the following is not a common feature of email management software? Email management software illatha feature edu? Social media integration. Okay. Then 133. Which of the following is not a common element of a slide layout? Slide layout or a common element. ஆனால் இது எல்லாமே காமன் எலமெண்ட் தான். கண்டென்ட் மட்டும் ஒரு டவுட் இருக்காங்க. ஆனால் கண்டென்ட்டும் நீங்கள் வந்து லே அவுட் எடுத்து பார்த்தா டூ கண்டென்ட் அப்படியெல்லாம் ஒரு இது இருக்கும். அதனால கண்டென்ட்டும் வரும். ஸோ ஆன்சர் வில் பி ஆன்சர் நாட் known. The answer is E, answer not known. Next 134. What does the term CC? Email பண்ணும்போது CC, BCC எல்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கோம். CC is nothing but carbon copy. BC is nothing but blind carbon copy. 135. Which component of the computer is responsible for temporarily storing data? Temporarily storing data. That's the keyword. Answer is CPU cache. C. A dash is diagram that depicts the flow of a program. Answer is flow chart. D. Next 137. Software instructions intended to satisfy a user specific processing needs are called application software. Like CAD, Photoshop, ellame application softwares. 138. A semiconductor memory that allows the eraser of the information stored in it so new information can be stored. Answer is EEPROM. Erasable PROM. C. EEPROM. 139. Which of the following is a common method of securing email communication? Email பண்ணும்போது secure பண்றதுக்கு என்னெல்லாம் பார்க்கணும்? Using strong password, yes. Encrypting email messages, yes. Avoiding public Wi-Fi networks, yes. இது வந்து email பண்ணிடும், அந்த client பண்ணிடும். So all of the above. Dog. D. Next. Which is a device used for converting maps, pictures and drawings into digital form? Digitizer. Answer is A. Digitizer. Next. A manometer is used to measure. Very easy question. Pressure difference. Okay. Next. 142. To measure small pressure in a pipeline, which one of the following is used? You can go for manometers. Okay, pressure check பண்றதுக்கு manometer யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 143. Venturimeter works on the principle of very direct questions. Bernoulli's principle. Answer is Box Bernoulli's principle. Then 144. Which of the following is not part of the venturimeter setup? Venturimeter க்கு இல்லாத part எது இதுல? Throat, converging part, float, diverging part. So float is the answer. It's not a part of venturimeter setup. Then next, a small opening of any cross section on the side or the bottom of a tank. It is called orifice. Answer is C. Orifice. Which of the following turbine is impulse type? Impulse type turbine edu? Pelton turbine. Very easy. Okay. So answer is A. Pelton turbine. Next question. Which of the following turbines is categorized as medium head turbine? B. Francis turbine is a medium head turbine. So answer is Box Francis turbine. Next. The theoretical discharge of a double acting reciprocating pump wherein L is stroke, length of stroke, A is cross sectional area of piston, N is the speed, then 2 LIN by 60. Double acting கேட்டிருக்காங்க, என்ன 2 LIN. Single acting ஆனா 2 இல்ல, LIN by 60. 149. Power required to drive a centrifugal pump is given by? The answer is rho QH by efficiency. Okay. Answer is A. Sorry, rho illa W. Answer is WQH by efficiency. A turbine develops 10,000 watt under a head of 25 meters at 135 RPM. Its specific speed is approximately. Specific speed order equation போட்டு பார்த்தா it will be coming 241.5. Answer is dog. D. Next. A Pelton wheel develops 1750 kilowatt under a head of 100 meters while running at 200 RPM and discharging 2500 liters of water per second. The unit discharge is nothing but 0.25 meter cube per second. It's a calculation. Equation லாம் கொடுத்து calculate பண்ணும்போது you will be get 0.25 meter cube per second. Okay. இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸுக்காக டெடிகேட்டாக ஒரு செஷன் வச்சுக்கலாம். இப்போ வந்து உங்களுக்கு அந்த கீ உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு கீ எப்படி ஒவ்வொரு ஆன்சரும் ஒரிஜினல் ஆன்சர் என்னது கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு தான் இந்த செஷன். ஓகே. ஸோ ஆன்சர் வாஸ் பாக்ஸ் 0.25 meter cube per second. Next question. Reaction turbines are used for. Answer is A. Low head and high discharge. 153. Francis turbine is an inward flow radial type turbine. Okay. Francis turbine is an inward radial flow turbine. So C is the answer. C. Next. For flood control and irrigation applications, the pump generally used is axial flow pump. Okay. Low header. Axial flow type pump. Answer is dog. D. 155. Whitworth quick return mechanism is obtained by inversion of slider crank mechanism. Option is, answer is A. Slider crank mechanism. 156. In crank and slotted link mechanism, the cutting angle is 220. What should be the return stroke angle? Cutting angle, forward stroke 220. Return, idle stroke N angle 140. You have to memorize it. C. 140. 157. In centrifugal pump, the number of vanes in impeller varies from 2 to 8. Actually, precisely saying, closely, adukana answer 2 to 6. Adinala box mark pannirukanga. The answer is B. Box 2 to 6. Next. Which of the following milling operation can be used for machining a flat surface parallel to the axis of cutter? That is slab milling. Okay, adukku peru da slab milling. Plain milling oda solvanga. Slab milling. Answer is A. 159. Diameter of milling cutter 100, running at speed 210, cutting speed eppadi ketrukanga. It will be 66. Again equation kodutha pannano. Pi dn by 60 da equation varum. So in meter per minute, yes, minute da ketrukanga. So pi dn kodutha ungalku answer kedakkum 60, 66. Answer is C. 66. 160. Circumference of a workpiece is to be divided in equal division using index rate of 24 slot. Then indexing ratio is equal to 3. Answer is box 3. Next. Number of uniform on the computer integrated manufacturing order questions. Number of minimum control points required to generate a quadratic B-spline. 4. Okay, answer is C. 4. Next. In CAD, name the transformation which moves points to the right in proportion to their y coordinate. Like in the strength of materials. Shear. So answer is shearing. C. Shearing is the answer. C. Next question. The number of tangents required to describe cubic splines. Cubic spline describe பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு tangent போதும். Box 1. 164. Is it visible, this questions? Yes. Okay, I guess so. In a raster scan display, the frame buffer holds the intensity information. Confusion will be between image resolution and intensity information. Most appropriate answer is intensity information. Answer is dog. D. The function of a tacho generator in CNC machine is none of the above. Actually, speed measure பண்றதுக்கு தான். Okay. So அது இங்கே இல்ல ஆப்ஷன்ல, அதனால dog, none of the above. D is the answer. Next. A revolved feature is generally used to create solid models of dash objects. Axisymmetric. Cylindrical. Actually, cylindrical objects are axisymmetric. Symmetric about an axis. Okay. Now, 3 holes are to be drilled using a CNC drilling machine. The coordinates of holes are shown in the figure below. Identify the correct chord in incremental positioning. So, incremental positioning சொல்லும்போதே G91 தான் வருவாங்க. So, அதில் இந்த coordinateோட இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தா answer is C. இது answer வரும். C. Okay, C தான் answer. Next. Dash is collection of parts that are similar either in geometric shape and size or in the processing steps required in the manufacture. Group technology is the question. Part family. Adukku peru part family. Answer is box B. Next. The following options describes the various methods used for grouping the parts into families. Part family classify பண்றதுக்கு என்னெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க? அதுல incorrect ஆனது எது? Product delivery order. It's not related to part family or classification. So answer is box product delivery order. 170. The part programming code G90 signifies G99 is the absolute coordinates, programming in absolute coordinates. G91 is for incremental coordinates, already pattern on the question. So answer is C, absolute coordinates. 171. Opti system 7th digit, 5th digit. Digit 5 corresponds to. Answer is auxiliary halls, teeth and forming. C the answer. Next, the CNC part programming code G32 represents thread cutting box. Okay, G32 represents thread cutting box. The answer B. Next, the fundamental geometrical entities in solid modeling: wedge, cone, sphere, ellame. Answer is dog. All of the above. Ellame use பண்ணுவாங்க solid modeling. 174. The software that performs the data entry, design, analysis, drafting and manufacturing. It is called as application software. C, application software. 175. Numeric control is a method of producing exact number of parts per hour. Then second option. So answer is box. Is a method for controlling by means of a set of instructions. Numeric control. Computer use panina computerized numerical control. CNC. So the answer is box. Next question. Which code is used to cancel the canned cycle? The answer is G80. G80 is used to cancel the canned cycle. Dog. Dog is the answer. D. Next. Which of the following is fixed sequential format? Correct format தான் கேக்குறாங்க. So code பண்ணும்போது இதுதான் correct format. Sequence number, G codes, X and Y positions எல்லாம் அதுல இருக்காங்க. So box. Correct அதுதான். Box the answer B. Next, which of the following is not related to retrieval type of CAPP system? Answer is GenPlan. It is a generative type. ബാക്കി എല്ലാമേ on the retrieval or variant type da. Okay. Next, 179. Which of the following is not a basic component of the NC system? Part programmer, humans. We are not a part of the numerical control system. 180. Which of the following standards are used in CAD? எல்லாமே CAD ல யூஸ் பண்றதா. So all of the above. Dog is the answer. D, dog. Tolerance are specified. எதுக்கு tolerance specify பண்றாங்க? Box. Because it is not possible to manufacture in size exactly அந்த size manufacture பண்ண முடியாது. அதனால tolerance are specified. Answer is box. B. Next question. Expressing a dimension 32.5 by 32.3, which means upper and lower case of unilateral tolerance. ஒரு positive direction மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு allowed. அதனால unilateral ஒரு direction, uni 1 ஒரு direction. So answer is A, unilateral tolerance. Next question. Term allowance in limits and fits is usually referred to minimum clearance between shaft and hole. Okay. Allowance க்கு அதுதான் answer. Minimum clearance between shaft and hole. Answer is A. 184. In limits and fit system, basic shaft system is one whose lower deviation is 0. Shaft system lower deviation 0 இருக்கும். Okay. So answer is A. Next. Expressing a dimension in like this in the case of it's a bilateral tolerance. Positive direction lo, negative direction lo tolerance போறாங்க. Means dimensions போறாங்க. அதனால bilateral tolerance. Answer is box B. Next. In an interchangeable assembly, shafts of size this made with holes of size this, the maximum interference in the assembly is. Actually, it will be 60 தான் ஆன்சர் வருவாங்க கால்குலேட் பண்ணும்போது. நீங்க கால்குலேட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. ஆக்சுவலி உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். You might be confused. இங்க சைன் மாறி போச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். We guess the question got a printing mistake. It's not minus, it should be plus to get 20 as the answer. இந்த ஆப்ஷனுக்குள்ள ஆன்சர் வர்றதுக்கு இங்க பிளஸ் தான் வரணும். அப்படினா 20 ஆன்சர் வருவாங்க. ஆனா நமக்கு மைனஸ் தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க क्वेश्चन பேப்பர்ல. Answer will be something 60. It is not there in the option, so we mark the option as E. Answer not none. Okay. Next. A hole is the dimension. A hole is of dimension this. Corresponding shaft is of dimension this. The resulting assembly has. And the values எல்லாம் analyze பண்ணி பார்த்தா it is transition fit. Clearance fit க்கும் chance இருக்குது. Interference fit க்கும் chance இருக்குது. So transition fit. C is the answer. 188. The property of a bearing material which has the ability to accommodate shaft deflections and bearing inaccuracies by plastic deformation without excessive wear and heating. Answer is conformability. It is a definition of conformability. So answer is dog conformability. D. Next, anti-friction bearings are, they are ball and roller bearings. Okay, anti-friction bearings are also called as ball and roller bearings. Option is B, box. 190. Teflon is used for bearings because of low coefficient of friction. இதனால தான் Teflon யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. Answer is C. The relationship that results between the two mating parts before assembly, that is called fit. அதோட ரிலேஷன் இன்டர்ஃபியரன்ஸ் ஃபிட்டா இருக்குமா, கிளியரன்ஸா இருக்குமா, டிரான்சிஷனா இருக்குமா, ஃபிட் தான் டிசைட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ அதுக்கு பேரு ஃபிட். ஆன்சர் இஸ் A, fit. Which of the following symbols indicates circular runout? Answer is A. Northeast directed arrow. North east directed arrow. Northeast na this 45 degree to east angle. So answer is A. 193rd question. Limit gauges are used to. Answer is A. Correct answer is A. Check if the component dimensions lies within the permissible limits. That's the answer. Answer is A. Correct answer is A. 194. According to Taylor's principle, go gauges are designed to check. Minimum check pannom, maximum check pannom. Both of this. Okay. The answer is C. Both of this. Next question. Interference fits are used to create a pre-stressed joint. Okay. Pre-stressed joint is the interference fit. You will get a pre-stressed joint. B. Answer is box B. 196. Cams with sudden changes in profile can cause high impact forces on the follower. Box B. B is the answer. 197. A clearance fit allows for, answer is box, free movement between parts. Clearance fit means you can have free movement between parts. Answer is box B. Next is 198. The tolerance grade of a dimension is indicated by tolerance grade and part irukum. One on the hole basis இருக்கும். Next geometric dimensioning symbols are used பண்ணிருக்கும். So combination of B and C the answer. Answer is dog D. 199. The selection of an appropriate fit for an assembly depends on factors such as all of the above. எல்லாம் பார்த்து தான் select பண்ணுவாங்க. So the answer is dog all of the above. Last question 200. Corrosion resistance is a material's ability to withstand. Answer is box chemical degradation. Corrosion na or chemical reaction da. So chemical degradation withstand பண்றது தான் corrosion resistance சொல்லுவாங்க. So 200th question. Answer is chemical degradation, box B. Okay. So we have discussed a lot. நம்ம team இங்க discuss பண்ணி தான் இந்த ஆன்சர் எல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. Most appropriate answer. Then if you have any objections, feel free to comment on that. ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் வந்து உங்களுக்கு the other option could be the most correct answer. அப்படி ஒரு feeling இருந்தா you can comment in the comment section. Definitely we will reply for that. Okay, we will discuss and we will smoothen down. Okay, so these are the correct answer key. Okay, correct answer key for our diploma level MAWS exam. Okay, okay, all the best for your preparations and all. Okay, இதோட அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸோட அந்த டீடைல் டிஸ்கஷன் மீன்ஸ் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் டிஸ்கஷன் இது வரைக்கும் டிப்ளமோ லெவல் அந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி கேட்கல, ரொம்ப ரேராக அதை கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஆனால் இந்த வாட்டி நிறைய ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வந்திருக்காங்க, மேபி டியூ டு அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டி எஃபெக்ட். ஸோ அதனால அந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ வி வில் பி ஹேவிங் மீன்ஸ் ப்ரிப்பேரிங் ஃபார் அ வீடியோ ஃபார் தேட். ஸோ நீங்கள் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கோ, வி வில் டூ தேட். You can, it will be helpful for you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.